All right, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can set up and give access to someone to be able to manage and access your Google Search Console while still retaining ownership. Okay, this is an account that I manage, and you can go right down here to settings, and then users and permissions, and then right here you can add a user. So you can then give people restricted access, ownership, full access. You just enter in the email that they've requested access with, and then you just so let's say I was just going to do it at some random email, then you would just add it there, and that is that. That is how you can add a user to your Google Search Console account so that you still retain ownership, but they can come in, say it's an SEO agency that's going to be working on your stuff, and they can still access it and see it and work their magic.